Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Wipro NTH 2022 batch interview rejection mail and orientation mail. Okay, so many candidates got the orientation mail from Wipro team that is related to some session and rejection mail from Wipro team. Okay, so this video is very useful for everyone. So let's start the video. Okay. So as you can see on my screen, they just sent the orientation session mail that is related to technical campus hiring. I think this is just related to orientation session in which they will define the salary structure as well as what are the some current technologies that Wipro currently working on that, and stream preference and location preference and all about point. Okay, so if you have to join this orientation session, so on your mail ID, means in the mail they just give the link. Okay, so these sessions are very important. Okay, one important point, these sessions are very important. You have to join this session because they will tell all the process that is related to joining or any other point. Okay, so before moving on to rejection mail, there is one good platform that known as Relevel. You can get your dream job in 15 days. India's finest company trust Relevel to hire. You can claim your profile by taking this test. 200 plus leading company trust Relevel like Cred, Misho, Urban Pro, upGrad, and you can land on the monthly leaderboard. There are so many exciting prizes like a MacBook, iPhone and Apple Watch. Okay, so how the Relevel test will work? You have to register for this test, take the test, interview with employers and accept the offer. India's finest company hire on Relevel like Cred, Image, Misho, Yatra. Okay, so in the previous video I just mentioned that there are 3 type of tests on the Relevel, but this time there are 2 type of new tests are introduced on the Relevel, like backend development and the front end, and business is the previous test, but business analytics and data analytics is the new test. You can just go to business analytics test, and what is the eligibility? If you have a 18 plus age, laptop, desktop, you can just give that test. And what are the salary structures? All are in this Relevel platform. You can just check all the links from the description and apply for the Relevel test. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, this type of mail will be came to candidates like Wipro campus hiring update. Dear candidate, greetings from Wipro. We regret to inform that you have been not shortlisted in the technical interview round from Elite of Campus 2021. Hence, we will not be able to take your candidature forward. Okay, so currently Wipro not sent the rejection mail to 2022 batch. Okay, this mail is just related to 2021 batch. They just mentioned that. Okay, so don't worry, and if you just give your interview and you answer most of the question, so just wait for some time, they will definitely send you mail. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.